Hi, Shay.
My airplane.
I know you have 2 airplanes.
There you go.
Thanks. Shay, you want to do animals? Or you want to fly?
Fly.
Of course. Okay, ready? Whoa.
Car. A car. A car. A car.
In the sky?
Yeah.
I'm going to get that belly. Boop.
A car.
Get that belly.
A car.
In the sky? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to be a pilot when you grow up? Shay, are you going to be a pilot?
Yeah.
Are you going to be a football player?
Papa.
You going to be a football player? You got water in your ear?
No.
Say bye-bye.